Welcome to my channel, AC47 TV at your service. So ngayon guys, tayo ngayon ay mag-assist para sa mga traffic advisory para doon sa mga nakapalibot sa atin dahil ngayon ay mag-ispalto dito sa ating Sunset Drive. Alright, bago natin simulan yan, intro muna tayo. So ayan guys, kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe and pindutin na rin ang notification bell. So ayan guys, sinimulan na ang pagharang sa ating mga kalsada. So yan mga KC, sinarado natin Brentwood, gate 2 yung labas.
Paano masabi?
So yan guys, pasensya muna kayo sa konting abala para sa ating pag-ispalto dahil lahat naman yan ay para sa ating lahat.
A few moments later.
So yan guys, katulad kay ma'am, no? Shout out. Ayan, at mayroon lang daw sila kukunin at hindi natin pinadaan para hindi po matraffic.
Baka nandun sila sa may bunga sa may J3. Nandun kasi yung interview.
Saan?
Mas pwede ulit na yun.
Ito ba? Ito ba?
dito na lang. Hindi ka naman kayo lumay ko dito. Paano? Dito na. Dito na kayo.
Thank you guys for supporting my channel, AC47 TV, at your service.
A few moments later.
Boss, saan sila? Gate 2, palabas.
Nagmagawa na po kasi dyan. Lalapad nyo ng asfalto. Naglalapad ng asfalto. Saan kayo sir? Ang street. Daho.
Daho. Don't forget to subscribe at pindutin na rin ang notification bell. Anong araw doon kaluwang? Okay.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
So yan guys, ito na yung main road, maayos na.
never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday